Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 5th of March. The euro gained ground against the US dollar, currently moving above 130.28. The single currency had previously reached a 6-month low after Italian election results didn't show a clear winner, making negotiations for forming a strong government difficult. Yesterday's Eurogroup meeting brought the Cyprus bailout one step closer to resolution. However, the European economy still looks fragile and any growth may prove anemic. The US 500, which tracks the top 500 US corporations, gained as investors switch from riskier bonds to US equities. WTI crude dropped to 89.45 before rebounding to 90.41 following worse than expected Chinese growth forecasts. And weekly option volatilities for the eurodollar dropped from 11.15 to 10 as investors return to riskier returns and option premiums fall. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 130.50. The dollar-yen pivot points at 93.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 93.10. The Aussie-dollar pivot points at 101.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101.80. The sterling-dollar pivot points at 150.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 150.75. And the dollar-CAD pivot points at 102.85 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.85. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 90.90 with a preference to enter into short positions at 90.90. The gold pivot points at 1565 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1565. The silver pivot points at 28.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 28.40. The US 500 is at 1506 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1506. And the UK 100 is at 6314 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6314. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Europe at 8:45 GMT, we have the Italian Services PMI expected at 45.9. In the UK at 9:30 GMT, we have the Services PMI expected at 51.1. And in the US at 1500 GMT, there's the non-manufacturing PMI expected at 55. And our interesting pair today is the Aussie dollar. The Australian dollar reversed its negative trend, moving from 101.18 to 102.52 against the US dollar. The Aussie took off after remarks from the Reserve Bank of Australia that it will not cut rates further, as previously cuts had kicked in expecting outcomes. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.